song. Your word is my life, my hope and my shield. In your holy presence, my soul is healed. Lord,